Welcome to Dollars and Cents Online. My name is Ashley, and today is day 11 of Dilmas. Yay! So today I want to tell you how you can get comforter sets for an affordable price on Macy's.com. The deal started yesterday. It ends today. They also have Star Money Days going on right now, where if you're a Macy's Star Rewards member, you can get points. So for every dollar spent, you can get 20 bonus points. That's $10 in Star Money for every 50 spent at Macy's with a Macy's credit card. Or you can get 10 points for every dollar spent. That's $10 in Star Money for every $100 spent, no matter how you pay it. There are exclusions, terms, and conditions. And even if you're not a Star Rewards member, you can get free shipping if you spend $25 or more. It excludes furniture and mattresses. But today, we're talking about comforter sets, so you can definitely use it when you get your comforter set to get free shipping. Or what they don't have mentioned here is if you put a beauty item in your cart, that you can get free shipping for that as well. And they should have items on here for as little as $2 in the beauty department if we can locate one. But the deal on the comforters are they have 3-piece comforter sets for queen and king size mattresses that come with a comforter and 2 shams. And they have a 2-piece comforter set for twin size beds that comes with the comforter and 1 sham. The prices range from $16.99 to $27.99, but their original value is $80 to $100. So that's definitely a good discount. Also, if you have Ebates, you can get 6% cash back on your grand total on top of the discounts that I just mentioned to you. If you don't know what Ebates is, definitely take a look in the description and click on the video where I explain how to use it, how to get it on your browser, how to be able to use it within an app on your phone, and how to ensure that every time you shop online you get cash back, and sometimes you can also get cash back in store. So it's definitely a plus to have Ebates. To sign up for Ebates, go ahead and click the link in the description that says start off with $10 when you use this link for signing up and adding your first card. So that means you get $10 and you don't have to do anything but sign up for Ebates and add a debit or credit card. Once you do that, you will get $10. So make sure you go down in the description box and use that link to get started. But let's go ahead and activate later because I don't want to use it now. And let's find these comforter sets. If you scroll down here, here it is. It says our lowest price, $17.99, 3-piece comforter sets. Regular price is $80. I don't know why it says $17.99 because their lowest price is $16.99. But let's go ahead and click on that. They have 13 items left for these comforter sets. Here's a look at them. Let's go ahead and choose this Medallions 3-piece reversible comforter set. Tells you all about it. You can click on shop collection or you can just scroll down. They have it available in twin, full, queen, and king. So like I was saying before, the twin set only comes with 2 pieces. Oh, and I didn't mention the full. It is 3 pieces as well as the queen and the king. Let's go ahead and add a queen to my bag. I want to go ahead and continue shopping. My total is $16.99. Of course, I'm $8.01 away from free shipping if I want to spend $25 to get it. If I don't want to spend $25 to get it, I can go searching in the beauty department for something that's only a few bucks. I don't know how successful I will be at finding an item for say $2, but I'll give it a quick shot. $8, $7. I was hoping it would just show me a list of all of the beauty products, but it doesn't look like it's going to do that. So maybe let's go to sale and gifts. Let's go ahead and sort it by the price low to high so I can try to get one of the cheapest items, or else I can just go ahead and get $25 plus. I'm looking for the cheapest item on this video just for the sake of showing you that when you add a beauty item, it gives you free shipping. So I need it to be under $25 so you can see that it wasn't the $25 that activated the free shipping. This should have changed the price from low to high, but it did not. So let me try to do that again. Okay, it looks like it did it now. So we have some $5.25 items. Let's go ahead and get this $5.40 item, which is a NYX lipstick. Now, you know previously it said I needed over $8 to be able to get the $25 plus free shipping. So I'm going to add this to bag. Oh, looks like we have a 350 item right here. That's more along the lines of what I want to get. Let's click on that instead. So this is liquid illuminator, mini size. Let's go ahead and add that to the bag. So it says I have 2 items in my bag for a subtotal of $20.49. One bonus offer added to checkout. You save $63.01. Let's go ahead and view the bag and check out. It says congrats, you get free shipping. And as you can see, we're not spending $25. So it's because we added that beauty item that we got free shipping. Definitely make sure you look at delivery so you can know what to expect. Like this item says it's in stock, it usually ships within 2 business days, but this one says it's on order, usually ships within 11 business days. So definitely make sure you look at that so there won't be any surprises for you. But the comforter was originally $80 on sale for $16.99, and this liquid illuminator is $3.50. It says if you check out as a Star Rewards member, you will get bonus points for both items. Now this is the offer that they were saying that I had. It looks like it's a brow pencil set and it will cost you $24 with any beauty purchase that you make, but they said that it's worth $48. So you can choose to add that to your bag or not. But this is what I wanted to show you, that you can get an affordable comforter set for as low as $16.99. Add any price beauty item to your cart and you'll be able to get free shipping for your entire order. The comforter set deal ends today, so definitely make sure you take advantage of that. And just check out Macy's.com in general, because yesterday on Tuesday they had some Tommy Hilfiger bed pillows that they were selling for $5.99 and they were originally $20. They have a lot of different deals that are going on around this time of year, so definitely don't sleep on Macy's.com. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Once again, my name is Ashley. You've been listening to Dollars and Cents Online, and I will see you all in the next Dilma's video.